this thing stuck in a mud puddle. I don't know if you can see, but it's definitely not how the oil should look. So it's got water in the oil. Looks kind of milky. So I'm gonna have to drain this and put some fresh oil in it. Yeah, that's not good. After I get done refilling the oil, I've got a new muffler I'm going to throw on. It's just an off-brand. I don't even know if it has a name to it. Just got the carbon fiber look. And another reason I wanted to do this is just for where I ride the bikes, sometimes around in the neighborhood. It's kind of loud, so this one has a little bit of a silencer in it. And then I could just remove it if I wanted to make it louder. Now, of course, I'm going to have to do a startup with no muffler as soon as I get some oil back in this thing. See how loud it is. And what I'm probably going to do is I'm going to fill it back up with oil, run it a little bit, and then I'm going to change oil again just to make sure there's no water left in there. Well, it turns out that the muffler is not a direct fit. It's supposed to slip on right here, but the diameters are the same size. So I went to my parts store, just picked up a little adapter and see if I can make this thing work. So I just hammered the adapter into the muffler, and I'm just going to do a little test fit. a little tight on this side. So I think I'm just going to bend the pipe to the left a little bit just to give it some clearance over here. But just some small modifications, and it actually fits pretty well. I've got the muffler mocked up. Just need to make a parts run and get a longer bolt. But I started this thing up and she's smoking pretty good, so I'm gonna drain the oil again and see if that helps. Hopefully this thing's all right. Super quiet now. This is kind of what I was looking for. If I could putt around and not get the neighbors pissed off. And I can pull that silencer out if I want to make it louder. So I've got it all finished up. Here's what I ended up doing. Just had to get a longer bolt from the hardware store, and I just put a bunch of nuts on it just to make it work. I bought a muffler clamp and an adapter. So the weather's nasty outside, otherwise I'd start it up and take it for a ride. Thanks for watching.